Alright, what's up everyone, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to wall climb. So, it is easier to do it on this one if you're just learning, but it is possible to do it on the other ones. So today I'm just going to learn this one to show you. So you can either do it in casual or infection, doesn't matter what game it is, but so first you want to get your hands like this, in like a weird diagonal shape. It makes it easier to like push from side, like that. And you want to just push up like that. Oops. Like that, but in a diagonal way at the same time. But if you are just a beginner and you want to make it easier for yourself, you can go into infection. Again. Wait for it to load. Oh my god, hurry up. Yeah, it's on infection. There we go. Okay. It's much easier to do it with the Rock Monkey, because the Rock Monkey has like speed boosts, jump boosts and stuff like that, and I don't know how I failed that. And again, so it is easier to do it with the Rock Monkey. You ready? So have your hands like this. Let's do this. See? And that is a tutorial how to wall climb. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to the video. Bye!